So here's the stock exhaust. This one does have a muffler delete on it. And then here is the new exhaust. Alright, with Austin. Now we're going to be looking at the fitment of this exhaust. We recorded this a couple days later. But as you can see, this exhaust tip does not really fit perfectly in the center. You really can't tell on video actually, but it's not too bad, but it's not perfect. And on this side right here, it's pretty much perfect. So we're going to be trying to fix this one right here to get it to sit over a little bit more to the left, and it should look perfectly fine. I mean, for under $300, it's a pretty good exhaust. We're going to be getting some sound clips and flybys for you also.